Welcome to the project demonstration of forest fire detection along with SMS alerting feature. So in this project we are going to use the two sensors. One is a fire sensor, like it will detect the flames based on the IR content in the flame, and also smoke sensor. So we are going to detect the smoke content, and that will be given as input to the PIC microcontroller. And based on the abnormal conditions from these two sensors, the system will switch on the buzzer and also display the so-called status, the alerting message, and also we are going to sending the message alerts to the phones. So here we are going to sending the messages to the two phone numbers. So that will be received by the receiving numbers, and we need to insert a valid SIM card into the GSM modem. So here the flow is, so we need to insert a valid SIM card here. It should have the SMS balance or main balance. Better to use Airtel or VI other than Jio. That's very must and should. And after inserting that, the system will send in the messages. And next, the whole system supplied by the power supplied by this 12 volt 2 amp battery pack. So in this we can see the two battery packs. Each battery pack consists of 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are connected in series. So we will get 12 volts, and it is also 12 volt 1 amp, and these two are connected in parallel. We will get 12 volt 2 amp, and that was given input to the here the GSM modem. The GSM modem will take 12 volts input, and it will provide us the 5 volts output, as it has an inbuilt regulator. And after the 5 volts is given to the system, it start reading input from the input sensors. So here we interface the connections. Smoke sensor at A1 pin and A0 for flame sensor, and GSM modem at B0 B1, and LCD at pin number B2 to B7, and buzzer at C4 pin. And so the other interfacing connections. And coming to the motherboard, so this is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller. And next, this steel plated one is a crystal oscillator, which will provide the clock pulse to the microcontroller. So the purpose of the clock pulse is in order to execute the instructions. So like we have coded the microcontroller with the instructions like read the sensor input and controlling the buzzer, LCD, SMS alerting. So these are interfaced at instructions, and that can be executed by the crystal oscillator of 20 megahertz. So each clock pulse per each instruction. Like that, microcontroller will execute 20 mega pulses instructions per second, as we are providing 20 megahertz, is 20 mega pulses per second. And the whole system is also powered by the solar panel to recharge the battery. So in order to charge the battery with solar panel, just we need to connect remove the T, the transformer, and plug the S at this section. So in this manner we can charge the battery with help of solar panel. If you want to charge a battery, so as of now the little bit of light is available on the solar panel, so that's why the light is indicated, and that's when we will get the maximum voltage, then which is sufficient to charge a battery, then the battery will get charged in 8 hours. So if you want to charge a battery from the transformer, so just whenever the sunlight is not available, just connect the T here and plug the cable into the 230 volt socket. Right. So now the battery is charging through the transformer. Same, it will take 8 hours. So till the 8 hours we should keep it as charging time, and after that you can disconnect the transformer and you can connect the solar panel while you are executing the project with solar panel. And after that, battery is fully charged. And now, so place a SIM card here. As we said, use Airtel or VI, and you should have the SMS balance or main balance. After inserting that, just switch on the kit. So here we can see the red light is blinking fast. Whenever it's blinks slowly, right now it's blinking slow, you can make a call to the SIM card, you will get the ring. So when it's blinking slowly, then only we should provide the input to the system, right? And now we can see the status is normal on the LCD. When I am providing the smoke input to the system, then there will be light on the smoke sensor, you can see that, and smoke color will be displayed on the LCD screen, and there we can see got the message of smoke alerts now. And the same, another SIM card also will get the same message, Right, smoke alert now. After sending SMS alerts, its buzzer will be off, and coming to the fire sensor. Saying fire alert, please check on the LCD screen. Right. Right, fire alert message was received by the mobile phone. So then the respective action will be taken by the concerned department.